Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So we'll check our gas cap right here, push on the fuel door, open it up, and as you can see, we forgot our gas cap at the gas station. This tether was broken, so we set it aside and forgot it when we went to drive away. Luckily at 1A Auto, we sell gas caps for many different types of vehicles. So whether you lose it or you have an evap code because the seal is bad, sometimes the ratchet will be bad and it will not seal up tightly, then you'll get a check engine light. So get yours at 1aauto.com and be ready to rock and roll. Putting this on here like that, 3 clicks.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.